This is a very interesting time in the construction industry right now.
The construction industry follows trends, and the trends today are to push the envelope, to go outside the norm as far as just square, rectangular type buildings.
And they're constantly reinventing the wheel. That's their job, is to come up with buildings that nobody's ever seen before.
The construction process is not neat or precise. It is actually very messy.
I tend to think of every project as being a prototype building that has to work right the first time. Communication in our industry has become digital like with all other industries, but unfortunately that has led to a complete lack of communication from the top to the bottom.
Communication is the biggest part of the success of a project.
Documents are communication. Everything that we produce is about communicating to someone else in another location on how to make a building.
The trend in the industry, in my opinion, has been to reduce the information provided in the construction documents.
If there is an error or an omission in the drawings, that can bring the job site to a halt. Right now, construction schedules have never been tighter. Construction documents are pushed constantly. Designers don't have enough time to do everything that they need to do. That can result in problems that will be realized by the owner later. We are bridging the gap by producing superior construction documents and through having superior communication throughout the project.
That's where Miller Engineering makes a difference, by producing documents that close that gap and making sure the contractor has every piece of information they need to do what they need to do in the field.
We can work one-on-one, not only with the owner, but we can also work one-on-one with the architect, and we can work one-on-one with the GC. We speak the same language with all of them.
Here at Miller Engineering, we're trying to reach out. We're trying to do the phone call instead of an email. We're trying to get out in the field instead of making a phone call. We want to build a relationship because through that relationship, we're going to have better communication.
What I have learned over the years in how a building is constructed and how it performs is something you can't learn in a classroom.
Miller Engineering is a team of people that have an amazing amount of actual field experience.
I've been in the construction industry for 19 years.
About 13 years.
Been working in construction since I was 16.
I have about 25 years of experience in the industry right now.
Our team is based on experienced individuals from every area of the construction industry. And our experience in all these different aspects of construction allow us to focus to where design meets function.
Miller Engineering wants to be the advocate for anyone in the construction industry that needs our services. We want to work with you to make sure that your projects are successful.